In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Express key fob. There's a version of this device that has 4 buttons, like I have here, and then there's one that has 3 buttons that doesn't have this trunk button, so it should look something like that. It doesn't matter which one you have, you can follow this video. They're the same device, just a different number of buttons, and they take the same battery and everything like that. So again, just follow along with me here, and I promise we'll get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these, you can go check the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a few dollars. The first step is just to find on your device, on the bottom right side, right next to this little area where the key ring attaches, the small indentation along the seam of the plastic, the two halves of the device. You can see it's right there. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into that area. Once you kind of get it in there, you can just push in, kind of wiggling, or you can just actually turn the tool like a key, and it will start to crack this device open. You can then just pull it apart. If it kind of falls apart on you, don't worry. We actually want that. We want to have access to the battery with just the little circuit board here. So if it comes out like this, you can just lift the board out of there, out of this little rubber component, rubber housing. You can just lift up the circuit board, and now we can just go ahead and pull the battery out. So you can just actually slide it right out with your thumb, or you can use your flathead screwdriver and just kind of push it out. But get your battery out of there, dispose of your old battery, and grab your new 2032 battery. Make sure that the positive side that has the text and the plus sign is going face up. So you will slide that in there, positive side up, and now we can go ahead and put this all back together. So take the front of the device that has the rubber housing in there. We're just going to drop the circuit board in so that it sits down in there like that. And all we need to do now is click the back on there. So just squeeze it all back together, make sure everything is lined up, and from there you are finished and you are good to go. So I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know down in the comment section or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for almost every device from almost every maker model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, which is fobbattery.com.